3 in the morning, Cluj-Napoca, Romania. Dan is asleep. His company is not. Right now, AI agents are shipping code, editing video, and watching the markets. This is the story of how one man taught software to run his businesses, and why he will never build a company the old way again. Dan Seminescu is not a Silicon Valley founder. He is co-owner of the Player Poker Club in Cluj-Napoca, co-owner of CryptoStack, a crypto exchange moving money between crypto and fiat for live exchange houses across Romania, and CEO of iRise Coin on the Solana network. A husband, a father of 2, and a man with one best friend he shares everything with. Every business taught Dan something. The poker club taught him to read risk in real time. The exchange taught him that trust is engineered, not promised. The coin taught him how fast markets punish slow decisions. 3 schools, 1 lesson. Speed wins, and speed was exactly what he did not have. Here is the thing about running a poker club, an exchange, and a coin at the same time. The day has 24 hours. Dan needed 30, so he made a decision that changed everything. He stopped hiring and started building. Dan wrote the belief down as a manifesto. Most AI products treat agents as features. DansLab treats agents as employees. One operator plus a fleet of named agents can run a real company. It sounded crazy. Look around, he built it. He called it DansLab, a human-led autonomous AI lab, 30+ named agents, 5 DigitalOcean droplets, 1 Mac studio, and 1 boss. Every agent has a name, a job, and a domain it owns. 5 droplets, each with its own personality. Dexter, the general manager, runs the busiest queue. Memo owns projects and cron jobs. Sienna trades. Nano builds new agents. Add the Mac studio, where Hermes thinks, and that is the entire footprint. No office, no server room, just rented compute and named minds. 2 agents matter more than all the others. Hermes is the brain, the strategist that lives on the Mac studio and decides what the fleet should care about. David is the orchestrator, Dan's digital twin inside OpenClaw, the system that connects every agent, every model, every machine. Hermes thinks, David conducts, the fleet executes. The fleet does not run on one model. It runs on whichever model earns the task. Claude for the deep work, Qwen and GLM for volume, Gemini for research. Every job is routed to the cheapest model that can do it well. That is not a technical detail. That is a business decision. And this is Paperclip, the company's operating system. Inside it, an AI chief executive reviews work. A founding engineer writes code. A research producer preps content. Real issues, real routines, real approvals. Like a project board, except the employees are agents. And when something needs judgment, it stops and waits for the board. The board is Dan. And when the system hits a real decision, it does not guess. 3:12 a.m. Sienna wants to double a position. Policy says, ask the human. One message lands on Dan's phone. He reads it over coffee. 1 tap. Approved. The fleet moves on. Judgment stays human. Everything else stays automatic. A normal day in the lab looks like this, 7 a.m. The fleet reports its own health, and the CEO brief lands. By 9, the droplets are deep in their queues. Midday, content goes out. Afternoon, reviews, merges, deployments. And at night, while Cluj-Napoca sleeps, the machines keep shipping. 38 scheduled jobs, every single day. Take the YouTube pipeline. Research, script, design, scenes, voice, subtitles, render, quality check. 10 steps, fully automated. A finished video comes out the other end. Even the voice you are hearing right now was generated by this system. Look closer at those 10 steps. Research digs for the story. The script is written in 3 acts. A design system is generated for that one video. Scenes are built as code. Brian records the voice. Subtitles sync to the word. Then render, quality gates, and a final review before anything ships. No editor ever opens. And yes, this episode went through the exact same machine. The proof? World Cup Central. An entire channel of AI World Cup simulations, impossible matchups, forgotten legends, cinematic predictions, 14,000 subscribers, and climbing. And behind it, World Cup 26.world, a prediction game with 119 collectible cards where every video unlocks something new. And World Cup is not just a channel, it is a loop. A video reveals a story, the story unlocks a card, the card lives in the app, and the app sends fans back to the next video. Watch, predict, collect, repeat. That loop is the growth engine, and the agents run every turn of it. Then there is Marty, AI market intelligence for traders, signals, liquidation maps, win rates. Sienna, the crypto specialist, watches these markets around the clock. And Nervix, where AI agents earn real money, a federation with 247 agents already enrolled, trading skills and completing tasks for each other. And SemiClaw, the company's own war room, opened up as an open source product. Any task becomes a meeting of agents you can join, interrupt, and steer, until an orchestrator signs the decision and writes it back. The way DansLab makes its hardest calls, handed to anyone who wants it. All of it stands on foundations Dan built the hard way. Crypto stack, over 10,000 users. Crypto to fiat, fiat to crypto, serving live exchanges across Romania. Behind the 5 leads, there is a whole support crew, monitors that watch the systems, a doctor that fixes what breaks, agents for deployments, payments, memory, and learning. 27 names on the wall, each one owns a job that used to eat Dan's time. That is the real head count of a one-man company. Now do the math. A team like this would cost a fortune in salaries. The fleet runs on a fixed budget. Subscriptions, 5 droplets. 1 Mac Studio. It does not sleep, it does not quit, and it gets smarter every month. This is what a small business looks like when software does the work. So why does this matter? Because DansLab is proof of a simple idea. AI does not replace a company. AI is the company when one human with real businesses, real stakes, and real taste sets the direction. Most people talk about agents. Dan's agents ship. So where does it go from here? More products, more agents, agents that hire other agents and pay each other for work. The goal was never 30 agents. The goal is a company that compounds while its founder stays human. That is the experiment, and it is working. And when the fleet goes quiet, Dan closes the laptop. A wife, 2 kids, 1 best friend who has been there for everything. That is the real reason the machines work through the night, so he does not have to. And this story is just beginning. In the coming episodes, how we build this YouTube channel in public, how the whole system was configured, machine by machine, how Paperclip runs a company of agents, why Dan chose Hermes, and why we built an AI for crypto. Because every agent in this lab is set to one purpose: executing profitable business. Episode 2 is already in production. Don't miss it. This is the first video on the DansLab channel. Everything you just watched, the story, the visuals, the edit, this voice, all of it was made by the lab itself. Subscribe and watch us build in public. Build, ship, repeat.